key mentality to being a good bird hunter is just keep walking. You got to be resilient, hit the next spot, don't stop early, just keep working. Those dogs have been working all day.
When it all comes together, you find an area that's suitable for the bird. You've got a group of good friends that you've been seemingly just wandering around with your dogs for hours on end, and then one of the dogs locks up.
Was that her first bird?
It is. Ray Dog's first bird.
That's a good girl.
Yes.
Like, I love these things.
There's so many opportunities. You get on your onX, and the central western end of the state is just littered with walk-in areas that you could spend a lifetime hunting, and it's open to everybody, belongs to everyone.